Okay, a very good afternoon here on the 25th of September 2020. It's Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference, and the Traders Open Day. Welcome to the end of week market update. 9.45%, an epic week here at Master of the Markets. One of the biggest weeks in history, biggest month in history on the live trading room. Trading opportunities really cleaning up in the market today and this week, and the last 3 weeks we've had fantastic performance throughout the trading room. And if you have a look at everything that we have compiled here by way of the trade journal, for those of you that are in the community part of the live trading room, you have access to the entire suite of live trading room journals. You can see all the way back from 2012 April. We have never taken a 15.58% month, just under 16%, and we still have a floating around, let's see, around 1% of profit that's running here on the dollar yen, and we have a 2% floating profit that's running here on this dollar Swiss. If we closed out both of those trades right now, that would take us to, wow, about 18.5% of upside for the month of September. A truly epic month in the journal, the biggest month in the history of the trading room. We are very excited here at the Cash In Strategies, which are performing superbly well. 5.39% on the CI system, 1-day exit. And so you can see here the TSL price strategy coming into its own again this week, 4.54%. Massive move on silver this week, which stole the show. Really the highlight of the week. If we take a look at the silver charts, which is actually going to be on this broker, not the EasyFX platform, but on the XTB system. If we take a look at silver, you can see we keyed a stop loss in on the high of the confirmation bar just there, 53 pips away. We took our money off the market on the next day itself, 206, due to the oversized bar and due to the rules in the trading plan, pre-planned trading plan. We exited the market there for around 4.54% of upside. 4.18% of upside realized there on the silver trade. An epic performance this week. £9,450. We're very happy with that. Let's go into the week this week, and I want to discuss a very important topic this week, which is based around what time should I place my trades, and hence the reason we're actually using two different MT4s at the moment. We've got the EasyFX platform here and then the XTB platform here as well. So I want to go into this topic a little bit. I know there have been some questions about this in the live trading room, and there's been an element of confusion. I want to tie everything up for you all here this evening so we can really kind of nail this down, lock this down, get a good strong understanding when should I be placing my trade opportunities. So the answer to this is pretty simple. You've got two options. You can either place your trades at 10 p.m. or you can place your trades at 12 midnight. Okay, so this time is UTC. Remember, there are a couple of different different time standards throughout the world. So for example, you've got New York time, right, which is going to be, which I believe off the top of my head is called Eastern Standard Time, EST for short. I have to verify that though, so don't hold me to that. EST. Then you have other time zones across the world. You have Pacific time as well, PT. Then if you go over to the UK, then you have GMT. Okay, you also have BST as well. And then you have, so these are all time zones in essence. Now, UTC is not a time zone. UTC is a time standard. Okay, and this is what all other time zones are measured according to. And we place our trades according to a 12 midnight UTC close, right? For us in the UK at this current moment in time, at the time of making this video on 25th of September, that equates to 1 a.m. UK time, 1 a.m. BST, okay? So let me just draw this out so it's nice and neat. So you've got a 10 p.m. close, which again, this is, I'm talking BST. And you've got a 12 midnight close, okay, which is BST. If we want, sorry, which is UTC. Now, if we wanted to measure that in terms of BST, that would equivalent be 1 a.m. BST. So you can pick when to place your end of day trades. You can either place your trades 10 p.m. BST or 1 a.m. BST or 12 midnight UTC. So these are your two options. You've got this option here, 10 p.m. BST, or you can go till 1 a.m. BST. Now, the professional time standard is 1 a.m. BST. However, it is easy to appreciate that not everyone stays up until 1 a.m. to place their trades. So the way that we're doing it, so let me show you. What I want to talk to you about is, first of all, how we do it at Master the Markets, okay? How the MTM traders do it here at Master the Markets. Then I want to show you what you can do, okay? What you can do to make it easier for you. So let's talk about those two things. So first of all, for ourselves, for strategies that are Money Bars 3.0, primary runners trend, primary runners counter trend, Liftoff 3.2, 20% OE, Liftoff 3.2, 70% OE. For these first 4 trading strategies, we place our trades. What we do here at MTM, we place these 4 strategies at midnight UTC. Okay, at midnight UTC. And then what we do is with the other 2 strategies, the cash in 4.0 TSL prior to cash in 4.0 one day exit, we place our trades at 10 p.m. BST. Okay, so it is BTST, apologies, BST. 10 p.m. BST, which is easy to see that would be the equivalent of 9 p.m. UTC. Okay, so this is what we do at Master the Markets. For the first 4 strategies, we place our trade at 12 midnight UTC. For the other 2 strategies, we place our trades at 9 p.m. UTC, which is 10 p.m. British Standard Time. You can choose to do that. If you're part of the live trading room, you're looking at the trades that we are, you can choose to do that. Now, what are your other alternatives? You can also trade the market and place all of your trades at 10 p.m. BST, which is 9 p.m. UTC. Okay, you can choose to place all of your trades, all of them, all 6 strategies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 strategies can be placed at 9 p.m. UTC. You can choose to do that. Or another alternative for yourself would be you can choose to place all of your strategies at 12 midnight UTC, which works out at 1 a.m. BST. You can place all 6 strategies at that time zone. Or you can do exactly what we're doing and place the first 4 strategies at midnight UTC. And the other 2 strategies you place at 1 a.m. The other 2 strategies you place at 10 p.m. BST, which is 9 p.m. UTC. So you need to choose which of these you want to do. Do you want to continually place all your trades in the same way that the MTM traders are doing it, which is the 4 strategies and the 2 strategies at the different times? Do you want to place all of your trades at 10 p.m. BST? Or do you want to place all of your trades at 1 a.m. BST? It's all applicable for end of day trades, okay? For end of day trades. So you choose one of these. What you absolutely must not do is you must not swap and change and place sometimes at 10 p.m., sometimes at 1 a.m. This would lead to an inconsistent execution, and we cannot measure your results using a system and a cash curve if you do that. We can't tell if the strategy is the problem or your personal trading is the problem, or how you can never scale that kind of trading. You need to trade at one consistent time. Don't swap it. So pick one that's comfortable for you. For most of our traders, I understand it's 10 p.m. British Standard Time, right? Which is 9 p.m. US UTC. So you pick that time and stick to it for all the strategies. Nothing wrong with doing that. But you need to stick to that. It can't be that you're having late nights out every night after work and then going out for a drink with your friends and coming back at 1 a.m. and sometimes placing at 10 p.m., sometimes placing at 1 a.m. It can't be like that. It needs to be standardized. so that you get a standard set of results as well. This is so, so important. So pick one of these time zones and then go ahead and use that to place your trade opportunities. Okay, so good. I've gone over the results that we got so far this week. I've gone over the journal as well in terms of what we achieved in the live trading room. Really the highlight of the week, just there on the cash-in strategy setups. Small loss on the lift-off strategy this week of minus 0.46%, but when you accumulate everything together through the elite room and the live trading room, accumulate everything together, you get a net profit of 9.45% just there. Okay, so make sure that you have that logged down. That's £9,450 of upside we achieved this week. Fantastic move in the trading room. Once again, biggest month is September for us, and we're looking to maintain performance going on throughout the rest of the months for the year and into 2021 as well. Look out for more refinements that we'll continue to make on strategies to gain optimum amount of performance as well. Let's go over some of the key markets. Silver taking a fall this week. Us taking a profit on that strategy set up just there. May see a little retracement before we see a longer term move higher on that one. The currency is really starting to move here. Dollar Swiss, as I mentioned, we're still long on the cash in TSL price strategy on this. We're up over 2% on this strategy at this time. Pound US dollar, not really too much happening here at this time on the pound US dollar. A little bit of accumulation happening over the last couple of days. Dollar Japanese yen is making a move higher. You're seeing a nice retracement there. So it's really nice to see this clean moves taking place here at the moment as well, with just seller bars, just buyer bars taking place in the market just there. So it's nice to see, and our strategy is of course benefiting from that as well. Euro yen again also accumulating this week as well. Let's take a look at some of the other markets. You can see with oil market again also accumulating as well. We're waiting for confirmed swing high on oil to take it short on the TSL price strategy. Nothing else there at this time. The Aussie dollar continuing its move lower after that huge move higher. Really moving, pushing lower really on the Aussie dollar. A little retracement, which we of course do expect. Watch out for the 50% Fibonacci level on that Aussie dollar just there. So that's pretty much it in terms of an overview of the market and topic for the week and the performance for the week. Look forward to catching up with you all on the market update in the upcoming future. We trust that we provide clarity in terms of when to place your trades for end of day trading in this market update today. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, keep trading like a master. Bye for now.